Managing wildlife requires more than isolated observations. WildIndex brings your records, maps, people, and field intelligence together in one property command center. Paper logs and scattered notes may preserve pieces of the past, but they are difficult to search, compare, and maintain. WildIndex turns property history into structured digital records that remain useful season after season. Connect the people responsible for the land, invite hunters, assign roles, manage access, and keep everyone operating from the same current information. Map parcels, hunt sites, trails, access routes, terrain, camera locations, and activity zones. See how the property functions as a connected system, not simply a collection of locations. Trail camera photos become more valuable when viewed in context. Camera pulse identifies meaningful daylight movement, activity windows, and patterns that can inform decisions across the property. Record harvests and sightings in the field by species, age class, count, time, and location. Determine which records you want shared with other property hunters and which records should remain private. Each observation contributes to a living record of wildlife movement. Today's hunt combines recent activity, weather, pressure, and site conditions to provide clear, property-specific guidance for the day ahead. Choose your target species and let the app guide you to the best site and hunting window. Compare hunt sites using readiness scores, recent sightings, harvest history, camera activity, and pressure, so the strongest option is easier to identify. Hunters can check in, select planned hunt locations, name an emergency contact, and set an expected end time, giving property managers and family members better awareness and greater peace of mind. Preserve the property's standout animals with photographs, antler and horn measurements, scores, rankings, and a trophy history built specifically for the land and its hunters. Search and filter years of harvests and sightings by date, species, hunter, and location. Important knowledge no longer disappears into old notebooks or disconnected files. WildIndex transforms accumulated records into useful summaries, revealing top sites, movement windows, species activity, hunter participation, and rates the overall condition of the property record with a hunt readiness score. For owners and managers responsible for multiple properties, WildIndex keeps each property's users, maps, records, and wildlife activity organized separately while remaining easy to access. Your property, your records, your WildIndex. Set up your property now and bring modern wildlife management to your land. Download WildIndex today.